We've just seen that transpiration, excessive transpiration will cause wilting. So that means there's a negative part of transpiration. Now, how does the plant benefit from transpiration? One, mineral ions are transported from the soil to the leaves and other parts of the plant. Now, the mineral ions are dissolved in the soil by the soil water. They, together with the soil water, will enter the plant, and then as the plant loses water, there's a pool that will ensure that water moves up the plant. And then don't forget, the water does not move alone. It moves along with mineral ions. Now, water is provided to keep the cells turgid in order to support the plant. Water is provided to keep cells turgid in order to support the plant. Transpiration will ensure that when the plant loses water, more water comes in. Now, if there's water deficit, if there's no water in the soil, the cells will not become turgid for the plant, but instead, the vacuoles will look this way, and then the cells will shrink, causing the wilting. Water is supplied to the leaf for photosynthesis through Now, as water leaves, water comes in and then gradually gets to the leaves. Now, leaves are cooled by evaporation. Here, a typical example would be sweating. If you sweat and then allow the sweat to dry on your body, you're going to see that as the sweat dries, you feel colder. Okay, you feel colder. So after a run or after football or after any sport, you leave your wet clothes on, you're going to see that, or you're going to feel cold a few minutes afterwards. The same applies to the leaves. If the leaves lose water, they are cooled by the evaporation. So these are the four main points or the four main importance of transpiration.